used for the transportation of chopped sugarcane. Before going through the operation and maintenance of the equipment, check the owner's manual. Keep the set bracket during the loading of the sugarcane to prevent shocks with the sides of the equipment. Attention! Do not compact the sugarcane with the overbought basket. Hook the chains to the suspend platform. Check if they are not twisted to prevent the extreme effort and their consequent disruption. Attention! Do not attach two chains on the same hook on the unloading wall. Make sure that the load box will not collide with the wall, observing the turning radius. Do not collide the overbought basket in the sides of the semi-trailer. Line up the external side of the tire in the guide of the table next to the unloading. Observe the maximum distance between the equipment and the unloading table, which will have to be of 200 mm. Proceed with the overturning of the load box until the restrictor handle is strained. Turn the bush in the clockwise direction to unlock it. Remove the lock pin. Suspend the platform by driving the valve located in the control box until it reaches the track end, going past the bearing anchor. Place the lock pin in the bearing anchor. Turn the bush in the counterclockwise direction to lock it. Liberate the activating valve of the platform. To suspend the equipment, go through the reverse procedure. Couple the power jack of the electro-hydraulic system. Suspend the platform by pressuring the arrow up in gray in the control box. Make sure that both cylinders meet in the end of the track of closure. Attention! When carrying through 2 consecutive cycles or keep the drive during 5 minutes, wait for 20 minutes for the next operation, so that the engine can cool off. Do not keep it on in the position of track end, both for closing or opening, for more than 5 seconds. When filling the oil level, make sure that the cylinders meet in the end of track of closure. Hydraulic mineral oil ISO VG 32.